How to send a message on Craigslist. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send a message on Craigslist. For this, open up any web browser and head over to craigslist.org. Press enter and this is the website you will land. Now you can simply log into your account by clicking on the account option. As you can see, once you have been logged in, you have different categories here. You can click on any of these categories. Then you can select any option from here. Once you open this up, you have the option of reply. Go ahead and click on that. Here you have the option of email. Click on this drop down menu and from here you can simply copy this email address, or you can also send the email via different webmail links such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, Live Mail and AOL Mail. You can select whichever option you want. If you select Gmail, over here you can simply write down your message. Once you have composed your message, click on the send option. Then the message will be successfully sent via email, and in this way you can send a message on Craigslist. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.